his beef with Popcorn, a Jamaican version of We Are the World, and rating Brogad's handling of the COVID-19 crisis. Record producer NOTNICE weighs in on what's happening.
You have artists who get attention, that's why them dep on social media every day, of course. One more of them are going to sing song about each other and, well, stay relevant. No show no handle, so them have to try to generate some income off of streaming, YouTube and the other platform them. So at that them can't go do no show. Sing some song and go and get some dub.
The music business in lockdown, beat builder NOTNICE homebound but busy. That said, no putting a positive spin on the devastation from COVID-19 on lives and livelihoods.
Yeah, because you put out a bad song now and you not really get, it's not like you can go out in the road go promote it either, so just social media. And sometimes that alone will give you the traction you want. You can't go uptown Monday go promote and out in the street, go link DJ Kenny and there's a feeling in your yard on phone.
So what are people listening to?
Anything upon them timeline. So listen what they see. Them basically want things where interest them in, and last week you see Jamaica and Chronicle give them a little quick 1 week war. Yeah, they have them attention now. They want to something new now.
And I guess you and Popcorn would have sparked the interest the week before.
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago, yeah.
Peace them. That me I tell you, them not like see me I win. Anytime me I go up higher, them vex.
If you do 1 month, a foreign and then me if you fall back on my yard without $1.
Who would have thought that you and Popcorn would have had an issue? You're the biggest sort of, champion of Popcorn. What happened?
Well, tell him. Maybe he doesn't see it that way. What Jafra says a family feud is a problem when your family are trying to stop your food. So it was just that, some local issues.
Well, it confused a lot of people because they didn't understand the context. So give me the context.
Well, in a quick nutshell, it's just like Popcorn don't like sharing. Yeah, he want to keep all for himself, and that basically was the problem.
Is that typical of the music business?
Yeah, but sometimes, like certain things that happen, if something happen between me and another artist, like some things you can say, yo, you don't know this person from nowhere, but as I said, Popcorn is like family, he's family, so I wasn't really expecting that from him.
Yeah, but you know better than to be surprised by how people behave. I mean, you lost all your studio equipment. You've been on the receiving end of some rough treatment.
Yeah, but those are from I wouldn't say strangers, from other artists, but Popcorn is not just, I would say, another artist. I actually helped to bring him to the forefront. So, and as I say, his sister is the mom of my son. So, you don't really expect that. You expect that, okay, your family are going to really deal with it like family.
Sometimes when you're moving on to greater things, you have to cut some people loose, I guess. Is that the reasoning?
Well, make we see now. I'm not going to really say right now, but the work never stops. So this alone, it just pushed me to go more because people might think that, all right then, we're going to see what am I going to do now without Popcorn. Like, millions of producers out there making it without ever recording Popcorn, so it's no really big deal to me still.
So you are disappointed?
Very, yeah, very disappointed.
For all who doubted me,
In-house EPs for NOTNICE Records artists Javinci, Jafras and Nadia Mothersill a productive distraction from COVID-19. His home studio where he works out of anyway. So little reason and less inclination to hit the road.
Bro got a curfew, so I first obey a curfew, I just stay in my yard,
You think Bro God is doing a good job?
A great job. I can't complain. Like, I am never me not involved in politics, me never vote, me never have no interest to vote, but once me say good thing I go and me have to talk. And told me see him interacting with the people, whether on social media, like in hip. You see my party and yeah, so I think he might do a good job still.
You think the PNP need to get hip too?
Well, when they're in a power, they get hip. Yeah, our breast, our neck, our wing or something.
So you don't think Lisa Hanna is hip?
Lisa Hanna is sexy. Yeah, man, big up Lisa Hanna. Well, as I said, I don't really know about politics like that. I don't even know which party Lisa Hanna represent for. I swear. I just know say I miss Jamaica, right?
NOTNICE releasing what he describes as a sort of Jamaican We Are the World single featuring 15 recording artists. Among them, Tarrus Riley, Romain Virgo and Sanchez.
It was made because of what people are going through, but it is not a corona song. See, like, We Are the World a long time and it's still relevant to this day. So it's a kind of song like that. It's a We Are the World again. So it doesn't mean we are.
Our hearts become slowly feeling.
Are we making more disposable music now that's not going anywhere and it's just going to stay and die in Jamaica?
Yes. I remember, like people in them house and them record in them house and then them press one button and they reach my YouTube and people just listen it and then by next month, it's gone.
But we're at your house now and that's exactly what you're doing inside too.
Yeah, but listen, I hears me I do this. It's not like me I make no. Yeah, I know. I make music like that, you know. Some song you know say, yo, you just put it out and you know say by next week it stop play. Because the kids are into that. So you just give them some of that, but still give them something with some longevity in it.
Do you see lasting damage coming out of this whole coronavirus thing though to the music business?
Of course. Say you have an artist who really forget that bus there in a time. No bus stop run, so they have to just wait.
Strong yes we are, powerful yes we are.
Look at a show like Reggae Sunfest. How much revenue that bring to the country, tourism, whatever. It must damage it, you know. As I say, a lot of people depend on dancehall for them survival. So many people. So many, as I say, selector, artists, the girl them will go dance, the promoter, the security, even the police them will go secure some of the gate them and them now get them local roastly against the local security company, the soup man. All of that affected right now. Some people rent out them venue, they don't have venue for rent, man, rent them sound, man, rent light. Like so many people affected by this right now. More than one even think. But you have people who benefit. But you have supermarket right now, you're good.
Not good enough. NOTNICE's We Are out today.
NOTNICE, once Vybz Kartel's beat builder of choice. The two fell out, but the music producer with an insight into how the world boss continues to dominate dancehall.
Vybz Kartel is the epitome of dancehall.
Yeah, guarding it like Mona Face, stick many Mona Lisas. Yeah, the chinny Yankee, Puerto Rican, scratch the bone and vegan skin.
It change with the times. So if chop around the place, you hear him on a chop with him.
Still I run the place, no matter kind of struggle in my face.
Well, he always do him authentic dancehall, you know. So he always do that and some reggae things in the mix. And, you know, some little crossover.
Yeah, Vybz Kartel and Missy, yeah.
But some artists just stuck in one gear. So it's like when the music change, them can't really change because them buck. Each generation will change, like him just change with it basically.
Here we go.
Jamaica people love personality.
Yeah, and always staying in the public eye, in the media. See, we have to talk about it now, so that is why him keep people talking about him. From you doing that, you can't go wrong.
Vybz Kartel is just like a new millennium flavor. You know what I mean? The teacher just express what I see in Jamaica.
As long as him can keep the people doing that, him can always be relevant. And with that, he's still putting out hit songs.
Kill them turbo.
No matter who around the place, Vybz Kartel always around the place.
See, Kartel can't comfortable with the next person being number one. That's one I think. Him can't sleep. Yeah, him always try to be best. So yo, it a go hard. So him always need for the on top.
You can't hold me up on no corner, you have to catch me in a house like Tony man.